Imagine knowing all there is to know about the workings of and how to use crypto. Imagine using crypto every day to buy things in a fast, secure, easy way. Imagine having an ongoing passive income stream. Your financial future no longer a dream. Imagine your abundance continues to grow. Welcome, my friends, to the world of Novic Pro.
What is Novic Pro? Novic Pro is fully legal and compliant, ethical business and is a part of Hope Expanders Pty Ltd, registered in 2022, registration number 2022/001713/07, and registered with SARS. Novic Pro is essentially a for-profits business. Like any other commercial business, we sell products, in our case, exceptional cryptocurrency and business education. However, unlike most other businesses, we put a main proportion of the profits we generate into a commission pool, which we then share with our customers. As a customer buying our products, you will automatically become a member of the Novic Pro profit share system. As we sell more products, we give a profit share commission to our members via a unique algorithm, which ensures that everyone will automatically get their commissions in turn, no matter who introduces more customers to our business. This is basically done-for-you passive income. Novic Pro Commission Income Progression Overview. Novic Pro has a unique uni-level, one-line structure, which is like a pipeline, divided into 4 sections. As a Novic Pro customer, you will buy our initial product, a high-quality beginner's crypto course, for just $15, plus any very small crypto fees applicable, and you will become a member of the first section of the commission pipeline we call the initiator phase. As more customers join Novic Pro and we receive more profits to share, you will be pushed through this phase by people joining after you. At the end of this phase, after enough people have created sufficient profits, you will receive a commission of $20 into your crypto wallet. You will also be automatically pushed into the second section of the pipeline called the visionary phase, where you will also receive the next, more advanced crypto course. When enough people have joined Novic Pro and have pushed you through the visionary phase, you will receive a commission payment of $50 into your crypto wallet. You will automatically join the very lucrative Novic Pro Business Build Club. More about that in a moment. You will also receive the next, further advanced crypto course. And you will be pushed into the next section of the pipeline we call the Trailblazer phase. At the end of the Trailblazer phase, you will receive $300 commission into your crypto wallet, and you will also receive the final, very high-quality crypto course. Now you will enter the final earning section of the pipeline called the Director phase. At the end of the Director phase, you will receive a commission of $700, and you will automatically join the Hypersonic Business Club. Also, at the end of the Director phase, you will receive a silver starter position in Hope Expanders, which is another high-earning and very life-fulfilling passive income opportunity. You will also be given 2 more positions in the Initiator phase to enter the whole commission earning pipeline again, twice. All this for just an initial outlay of $15. Is there another business in the world to match this? The Novic Pro Business Clubs. Of course, while it's true that you will receive an ongoing and ever-increasing passive income, it may take a while for this to build into a significant sum, depending on how fast Novic Pro grows. So, to make earning a higher and faster income possible, we have created 2 additional income opportunities: the 2 Novic Pro Business Clubs. Entry into the Business Build Club can be gained by a member electing to buy the high-value Neuro Business Coaching Masterclass for $50 after initially joining Novic Pro. Using the same pipeline analogy, a member of the Business Build Club will only need 5 members to join this business club behind them to create a $75 commission payment. Then they are re-entered into the business club to wait for the next 5 members to join to gain another $75 commission, and so on and so on. The same applies to the Hypersonic Business Club, but at a higher level. In the Hypersonic Business Club, only 5 members joining after you will earn you a $300 commission, which of course will also be ongoing. To join the Hypersonic Business Club, you will buy into a wonderful business education and practical application called Executive Business Coaching, where we equip you and facilitate you into new business ventures. You can wait for the commissions you gain as you move through the earning phases to join these clubs, or you can simply get a super fast start from the very beginning by paying to join either or both these clubs as soon as you become a Novic Pro member. You will still also get the automatic entries into both these clubs as you move through the 4 earning phases. By buying entries into these clubs as well will simply allow you to earn much faster than waiting in the pipeline. Additional referral commissions. Novic Pro is a completely passive and automatic income generator. However, to help with our growth, we also offer one of the best referral programs online. For every new member you introduce to Novic Pro, you will receive $25 every time that person goes through the earning pipeline. Now, this may not sound such a big deal at first, but remember that every time a person goes through the 4-phase pipeline, they gain 2 more positions to start the earning process again, then 2 more positions, then 2 more, and so on. So your referral commissions keep endlessly doubling. The benefits of joining Novic Pro. In summary, you will not find a better income, education, life fulfillment, business opportunity anywhere. Novic Pro is a fully legal, compliant, transparent business created by people of the highest integrity, as you will find out. It is not a too-good-to-be-true scam. It is a fully sustainable business that will be around for years and years as it grows ever bigger. You will be proud to be associated with Novic Pro and later with Hope Expanders, as we also share our profits with the poor and needy, particularly with starving children around the world. The financial benefits are clear. You will gain an ongoing, ever-increasing passive income, which over the months and years will become life-changing. A single, one-time payment of just $15 opens up this opportunity for anyone who can afford it. And what a gift it would be if you paid for someone to join if they could not afford it themselves. Finally, you have finally found a truly honest, legitimate, and easy way to earn money from the internet. And if, heaven forbid, anything happens to Novic Pro in the unforeseen future, you simply cannot lose anything. As soon as you pay your $15, you will immediately receive your important cryptocurrency course, which is far more valuable than $15. You will also get a secure crypto wallet and a world-class digital debit card. The next step. Get back to the person who sent you to this presentation for their link to join. You can pay quickly and easily with crypto, or you can use a variety of other payment methods. There is absolutely zero reason to delay with this. The faster you join, the further ahead you will be in the commission pipeline, and the quicker you will become a cryptocurrency expert.
Legal disclaimer. This presentation is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, or professional advice. Participation is voluntary. Earnings and success depend on company growth and the sale of the company's crypto training products. By participating, members agree to indemnify and hold Novic Pro, its officers, and members harmless from any claims or disputes. All members are required to declare any crypto-related earnings to their local tax authorities, as confirmed through documentation signed in the member back office.